Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is September 9th, 2020, and as you can see here, my profit is $259.18. Just absolutely crazy. It's just absolutely wonderful. Today was an amazing day trading, and yeah, let's just break it down. Okay, I just want to point out here, if you take a look here at the direction, you can clearly see, if I draw an arrow, you can clearly see that the direction for today was most definitely upward. It was pretty much an up day today, a green day. As you can see here, we're 3.77% up, and it's 118 points up for Amazon. This again, it's the ticker symbol AMZN. And yeah, let's just break down my trades. So actually, I started off in the morning here, just testing the waters. Took a trade here for 5 shares, so 3202, and then started off 3204, sold out. So this was during pre-market. If we take a look here at the prior day, we can see that we had this huge gap up right here. So, and we were still uptrending. So I sold out from that, and then I just waited until the market open. We didn't have a huge pullback like we usually do. You see the volume bars coming in. Took my first trade here, got in 3205, and then I sold out 3208, and you know, that was an absolutely amazing trade. Then we had a slight pullback. I waited for that, bounced off of the EMA line and the VWAP line, and then I got in here again, going in at 3216 and then selling out here at 3217. I took 2 of those trades. So one was 3215, got back in again after it dipped, and then I sold out again 3217. It's just absolutely amazing, just killing it. I think it was up maybe like 150 already. I set my daily goal today for 250, and coming up you'll see why, because honestly on the day already for Amazon, it was already like 40 points up or so. After being red for the past couple days, we knew that today was definitely going to be a nice reversal day. So that's why I pushed it a little bit to the limit, and I actually did. I made my goal. So going into my next trade right here, you can see that I got in at 32012, and then I sold out 3215, and then one here at 3220, and then getting out 3221, and this is when it started to dip. And I was very patient with this because we had to wait until it actually bounced off. We didn't want to see the pattern and the trend actually break, because if this had go a little bit below, then we knew that it would be breaking the support line and dropping all the way further. So we waited until it bounced off of it, and that's when I took my next trade right here, 3205, and then selling out 3206.58, and then we started to rally, and at this time I think it was already up $200 and maybe $22 or something like that. So I could have actually gotten in from this next push. I actually saw that coming, and I was like, you know what, I'm already up 200 on the day. I already made my goal. I was like 220 something, and I saw the rally still happening, so I went in and I just evened it out. So I got in here at 3279, and then I got out 3279.97, and then I just made it a quick 259, and then I called it a day. And as you can see here, we went all the way up. We hitting a peak of like 3300, crossing this SMA line right here, and then we bounced off of it, coming right back up, and then hitting the highs of 3303, and then pulling right back down. So that's just my my trades for today right here. As you can see, $259, just crazy, just absolutely amazing. So again, every day isn't like this. Every day, you know, you have to take it one day at a time. Make sure you set reasonable profit daily goals, and usually I try to aim for 100. But in a case like this, where you know the market is super green, if you take a look at most of the stock, Apple actually went up, and other stocks as well. So if you take a look here at /NQ as the overall stock market, we can see that it is also up 3.04% up on the day, or 335 points up. That's just absolutely amazing from the holiday that we had. Hopefully you guys had a great day. You know, I just want to make this quick video, so everything was just going pretty nice, and hopefully, you know, you enjoy it. Hopefully you see the trend that's happening. We can see that the market is still pushing up. So currently we are approaching a resistance line. So if we break through this and continue going up, we're going to be making higher highs. So that's what we want to see. We want to see this consistent uptrending. And if this, however, breaks through and it comes back down, we're going to see another huge sell-off coming. So let me know in the comment section down below, how was your trading day today? If you like this video, you know, smash that like button, thumbs up, notification bell, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. It's YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.